Hello and welcome to Jordan Richard's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do something. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you're having a good New Year's Day. I just worked today on New Year's Day and New Year's Eve. So yeah, right, today I'm going to compare 1.4 turbo. Same with the so this is about 115. This car is horsepower. This one is the difference. Obviously, it's a tinsy one, but yeah, let's go on it. I know this car, but obviously good enough. But yeah, I have to get some pictures. You've seen around this car. I will show you again first. Shame I don't. Yeah, when I normally turn the car on, I always turn eco off. So it's a waste of time keeping eco on if you're doing like, I don't know, if you go 21 mile an hour, as soon as you stop, the car will stop. But I'll see you in a minute. I might turn it on, go say 21 mile an hour, and come to a stop and see what happens. I don't think I showed you that. It's quite tricky really, because you can only do it mainly on like the traffic, when you come out to a traffic light, and if you got it on and you're waiting for a while, the engine just cut out. It's do with emissions and cool. Well, the eco and all that crap is environmental friendly, whatever it is. That's what they do it for. This car I put a bit of higher fuel in because it's got turbo and eco and all. It makes the car run a bit smoother. But if with my other car, obviously I didn't have a turbo or nothing, so I just put the lower fuel in. But this is a bit higher, and you can actually notice the difference. Obviously, this car's bigger and a bit more powerful. But yeah, you can really tell the difference in comparison from the older car to the newer car. Obviously a lot more buttons, but they're very easy to get used to. I know all the buttons now. That one's to cancel out cruise control. You can also obviously cancel out cruise control by these as well. And if you need to stop in an emergency and you don't have time to cut out all these, you just press the brake and it'll just cut the lot out anyway, so you don't have to worry about if you're going to crash or not. Unless your brakes don't work, then you're a bit knackered, but I doubt that'll happen. But yeah, it's really easy to get used to. Only thing I really want to get to do is my maps. I want to download them, but I don't need it yet anyway. But yeah, I'm going to some car shows this year, hopefully. Need to do a bit more filming, and it does get a bit boring. You don't have anything to film, so there's nothing out and about. But hopefully that will change soon. As soon as it starts warming up a bit, everybody will be out again. So it's quite hard to do it over the winter. Then it gets harder over the summer because I'm working and you have to try to film in between. So I normally have 1 day off a week, or maybe 2 sometimes. But yeah, you'll get there. Want to make sure this YouTube, well, hopefully see if this YouTube channel will grow. I'm at over 3,000 views on my videos. I think it's 3,400 almost views. So I think it's building slowly. But yeah, big things are going to happen this year, hopefully. Hopefully this year I will do my bike test. Then I want to get a Kawasaki 300 Ninja. So hopefully that'll happen this year. Just have to wait and see, but hopefully that will happen. so that's one thing I want to do this year. So I do like Tuesdays when I used to have my 125. They used to normally have a bike meet up down Hale, down McDonald's. So they have quite a few bikes down there, and they do have quite a few bike events on. So that's something else I want to have a look at as well. But yeah, that's me done. I will do that at the moment. But yeah, you never know this year what happens. So right, I just want to show you this quickly. What I was mentioning a minute ago. When you stop, you got your eco button going. That says A. That means engine's cut out, and all you have to do is this, literally just to start it, push your foot down on the clutch, you hear the engine go. There you go, the engine's running again. So that's it for that one.